Hello everyone, I'm Tora Odhikari. Welcome back to my channel. Hope my YouTube viewers are in the best of the health and spirit. आज मैं जो वीडियो कर रही हूँ मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया गया है इसीलिए मैं कर रही हूँ. एक्चुअली जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स आप लोग देख रहे हैं ये हेयर को नेचुरली ब्लैक करने के लिए, कोई डाई नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज नेचुरल, घर में मिलता है, कुछ बाहर जाके खरीदने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट से, सिर्फ 4 इंग्रेडिएंट से मैं आप लोगों को हेयर नेचुरल ब्लैक कलर करने की पद्धति बताऊंगी. सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच आई नीड? I need, this is black cumin seed, this one. This is black cumin seed. काला जीरे जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं. This is flax seed. मैंने सभी एक एक चम्मच लिया है. देखिए ये भी 1 चम्मच टीस्पून, और ये भी मैंने फ्लैक्स सीड भी जस्ट 1 चम्मच लिया है. और ये मेरा ब्लैक मस्टर्ड ऑयल, ब्लैक मस्टर्ड सीड है. ये 3 चीज़ मैंने लिया है. उसके साथ जो चीज़ लिया है आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. चावल बनाया है, दिस इज़ जस्ट अ स्टार्च वाटर, और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मैंने लिया नहीं है. फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़ आई विल पाउडर ऑल दीज 3 सीड्स एंड कम बैक टू यू. Yes, I am now ready with all the powdered form of seeds. This is flax seed which I have powdered. This is mustard seed, just see, powdered. This is black cumin seed, powdered. Achha, one extra thing I have used it. That is methi seeds, fenugreek seeds. I have powdered this because see, methi is very good for hair. It strengthens the hair and it also moisturizes the hair. So I thought of using methi powder also. That's the only reason I have taken this extra 1 teaspoon of this fenugreek seeds. I'm going to tell why I have used this flaxseed powder. The reason is it helps in liquid retention in the hair. So thus the hair looks quite glossy if we use this seed, and it gives moisturizing effect to the hair. Now this flaxseed also contains omega-3, which helps the hair not to dry so quickly. So to give a glossy effect, and even in winter also, if we use this, then dryness won't be there in the hair. I have used the powdered black mustard seed. The reason is this gives black color to the hair. Another thing is mustard oil, as we know, if we massage it in our hair, it will give good circulation, thus help in hair growth. That's the only reason I have used this black mustard seed. I am using this powdered form of black cumin seed. The only reason is it helps in hair growth, and black color gives black coloration to the hair, black pigmentation to the hair. Overall, it helps in hair growth. Why I have used this rice starch water? The starch water helps the hair to be clear. They should actually, if we use this starch water, there is no dandruff in the hair and damage is not there in the hair. It helps the hair to be clean, silky. Overall, it helps in the growth of the hair. So these are the reasons why I have used all this. Now what I will do now is, in the dry form, I will mix up these 4 powders. Okay, and I will keep it in a bottle, glass bottle. Now when I need to use it, what I'll do is I will mix half teaspoon of this powdered in this rice starch water, and I will boil little. So I'm just showing you after mixing what I get. See, I've mixed all the seed powder together, and from here actually I have taken, this is actually starch water. From here I have taken this starch water in this bowl, and I have given 2.5 spoon of this particular powder. Now I will boil and show you the effect. This is the dry powder, the dry form. Whenever I'll need it, I'll use it. And in various way I can use it. Like with the rice water, as I told you, that starch water, I've made this. Okay, I'll put it in the hair, and for an hour or 1.5 hour, I'll it will be like this. Then I can wash it with the shampoo. But we can use this powder in a very different way. You can use it any of the shampoo brand which you use it. You can mix it there. You can take 2 or 3 spoon of shampoo and a little water and pour 1 spoon of this powder, and you can put it in your hair. So it can be done with the help of shampoo also. It can be done with the mustard oil or coconut oil. If we take a spoon of this dry powder and we mix it with coconut oil or mustard oil, and just one boil is enough. When you take mustard oil or coconut oil, at least take half cup of that, and we can use that oil. That will be very nice, because this all the effect of these ingredients will be there in the oil. That will be also very nice. Anyway, you can put it there, and I have made shampoo also before. You can use that shampoo also. I will give it in the description box, the shampoo how I make usually. But this way it's very simple. Just taking the starch water, that is rice starch water, boiling it, and this is the end product. So I hope you will like it, because no artificial things are used here. Very natural. Put it in your hair for an hour or 1.5 hours and see the effect. And please do try it down. This is just made from whatever we have got at home. From there only I have made. I bought nothing. So you can try it out. And please comment on the comment box. How did you like? How was the effect? Please do. Now, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it and press a bell icon. If you want to get immediately after I post the video, you want to get it then and there, then please do click on the bell icon, and please like and share among your friends and relatives. And please, the way I have done it, please do it. Hope to meet you very soon. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Bye bye, friends.